Hey guys, Andrethefarmer here. I'm sitting in my garden and I'm super excited because I have some news for you guys. People always ask me, do you sell plants on your website? Well, we don't, but what we do sell now are seeds, and not just any seeds. They're going to be strictly seeds that are in my garden, so they're going to be a little seasonal. There'll be things that are sort of producing seeds at certain times of the year. Like right now, this is Katuk. This is a leafy green vegetable, and this is what the seed pods look like. And the leaves are super delicious in salads. It's like a unlimited supply of greens. It has a bit of a nutty flavor to it. It's super rich in protein and iron and vitamin A. It's way healthier than regular lettuce. So that's one of the seeds we're going to be making available on the website, or is available on the website right now. The other is sorrel. And if you know anything about sorrel, if you're from the Caribbean or from the South, they call it Roselle. Well, the seeds grow super easy. They grow in one season, and you will be able to pick these cactuses. You can make jam with them. You can make the drink with them. They're really good. You can even eat them raw. So that's another one we're gonna have. And last but not least, let me get a drum roll. We have loofahs. Loofah seeds. These things are loaded with seeds. So we're gonna have the seeds available on the website as well. We have them available on the website right now. So check it out at permaculturelife.com. And any purchase over $30 is free shipping. So when you're buying that shirt or that hat from Permaculture Life, then check out the seeds as well. Throw a couple packs of seeds in there. There's gonna be about 20 seeds in every package. I grew all my loofahs this year from 2 seeds. So you don't need a ton, but permaculturelife.com, check it out. All right, see you guys. Bye.